To add a site title, click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview. From here, click Edit Site Header, then Site Title and Logo. Entering a business name, blog title, or personal brand name here is a great way to help visitors identify your site. This title may appear in browser tabs, search engine results, or when you share your site on social media. Adding a logo to your website will override the site title. Additionally, clicking on either the site title or logo will direct visitors back to your homepage. You can edit your site title font and style by clicking Design, Site Styles, and Fonts. Here, you can click the site title directly to modify the font, size, and more. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.